All right, so you got a new lawn and you want to maintain it, get some vitamins in there, or you want to grow new seeds, new plants. This is the one way you have to do. Now, a lot of people that buy this is they use it for their lawn pretty much, right? Now, the shoes come with a couple attachments that you could add screws or detach them in case they broke it off. You could remove them and attach them. Now, this fits pretty much any kind of type of shoe, so it doesn't have to be boots, or it could be tennies, except for sandals. That's the only thing. So we're gonna put them on and tie them up and walk around to see how they work.